In English, they miss their mom. In ASL, okay, let's explore how to sign they miss their mom. We're going to use our index finger, dominant hand, just go like this. Arc in their direction. Group of people, however many, 2 or more, they. If they're over there, they. If they're not here, what do? Off to the side, or off to the side, that's fine. They. Okay. Here is a sign for miss, like the emotion, you miss someone. Use your index finger once again, so useful in ASL. Now we're just going to take the tip and we're going to point or poke our chin, or touch our chin, you could say. And we're going to have kind of a pouty look. Oh, miss. If you ever miss someone, it's not really a happy feeling, right? Miss. From the side. Other side. Front again. Miss. All right, make sure this is the emotion. We're not talking about miss the ball or miss the train. This is miss as in I miss my mom. There, possessive pronoun. How do we do it? Hand shape like this, right? And we just go there, arc in their direction. There. Before we did they, personal pronoun, they. Now we're showing possession for their mom, right? Their mother, there. All right, if they're not here, just go off to the side, there. Okay. Mom, here's the sign for mom. Works for mother. Just use a 5 hand, we say open hand, flat. Take the tip of the thumb, tap twice on your chin. From the side, mom. Other side. From the front again. You may see sometimes people only tap once, mom, especially if it's in a sentence and they're signing really fast and they just go once. All right. To be consistent throughout this course, we're going to be doing 2 taps. So we have mom. Aha. All the signs, sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. They miss their mom. All right. So we have a back and forth thing here going wherever they are, right? Let's speed up. Right, let's try. Let's say they're over there. The group of people is over there. Let's change the pronoun. How about we say we? We miss our moms. Remember, personal and then a possessive pronoun. So we miss our mom. Again, we miss our mom. All right, how about I miss my mom? Let's do that. Okay, good. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign they miss their mom.